Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. You must be signed in and able to view the repo and know whether you need HTTPS or SSH access. Once signed in, open the repository page and focus on the top right area where the green code button sits. Click that button now. It reveals 3 link formats. Make sure to choose the format that matches your workflow. Use HTTPS for simplicity, SSH if you have keys, or the GitHub CLI option for scripted installs. Once the dropdown is visible, pick the right link format and understand why. HTTPS uses credentials or tokens, while SSH relies on your local key pair. After choosing, click the copy icon. This places the repository URL into your clipboard for immediate use. If you selected the GitHub CLI option, you'll see a ready-to-run GH-repo clone command. Copy it if you plan to clone from a terminal. Make sure your local environment matches the chosen method before proceeding. Now paste the copied URL into your terminal or Git client and run git clone followed by the URL, or execute GH-repo clone if you use the CLI command. Once done, verify the clone by listing files or running git remote v to confirm the origin URL. If you get an access denied error, check token scopes, ensure your SSH key is added to GitHub, and verify repository visibility. Adjusting those typically resolves permission failures. Finally, retry the clone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.